In today's video, we're going to review the Halfords High Performance Snow Foam. I never thought I'd be saying that. Whoa, before you all go nuts at me for buying car detailing products in Halfords, I was in there for another reason. I was getting some number plates on my car, and as I was perusing the aisles waiting for them to be printed, I saw that out the corner of my eye. Nice black bottle, nice branding, Lamborghini Urus on the front. And I thought, £11 for 2.5 litres, I'll give that a go. And it had a magnetic security thing around the top there, so I thought, well, if people are nicking it, it must be good. So yeah, let's fire up the foam cannons. I've got a dirty Audi behind me. See how this stuff performs. Yeah, smells good anyway. So arches are flushed and clean, wheels are cleaned, and now it's time to get some snow foam on the go. So usually I would put a layer of citrus pre-wash over the whole car and then snow foam on top. But let's just see how this performs on its own, because yeah, it's saying purely to use it by itself. It's biodegradable, which is really good, pH neutral. Yeah, so it's saying touchless removal of traffic film and road grime to reduce the risk of marring and scratching during the contact wash stage. This is a shampoo as well. Yeah, pH neutral, wax and sealant safe. So all in all, looks like quite a good product. Let's get some on and see how it performs. I do like to, this time of year, get it on relatively thick so it sits there a little bit longer, nice and cool, so it's not going to dry too quickly. And then it's slowly, as you can see, slowly making its way down and removing most of that traffic film and grime. Let's see how this stuff rinses off in a minute. So we'll let it dwell for 5 minutes and go from there. It smells nice, really nice coverage. So far so good, Halfords. Let's rinse it off and see what it's taken off with it. Wow, so far so good. Obviously we'll be left with a very thin layer of traffic film that has to come off with a contact wash, but so far so good. Clings really nicely. It's gone on a little bit thicker, which is good. You can see it's still running. You see the dirt in it here being pulled out. So yeah, it's tons of it on the floor as well, it's pulling off. Great, nice. A lot of salt as well, yuck. So far, so good. Really impressed. This car has got a CarPro ceramic coating on that's quite old now, so it probably does need redoing, but it still works in places. Obviously, the lower half has still got contaminants from the salt and a little bit of traffic film left, which we will remove with the contact wash. But as a snow foam, I'm really impressed. For the price, £11, 2.5 litres. Really good value for money. I think I'll water it down a little bit more for the shampoo stage. As you can see, the Audi is now clean and dry. And I tell you what, I'm blown away. I'm blown away with the Halford Snow Foam. Who'd have thought? Who'd have thought? You're all probably going to be going crazy in the comments at me, but 2.5 litres for £11, it's pretty cost effective. I usually use the Snow Foam from Autosmart, the Snow Foam Pro. It's more of a trade product, really. I can't remember off the top of my head what I paid for. I think it's £35 for 5 litres. So, and that's trade. So it's, yeah, this is quite a cost-effective way of doing it. 22 quid for the same amount. And it's really good stuff. I like to lay it on in the winter. I like to lay it on a little bit thicker than you would in the summer because it's got a longer dwell time because it's cooler. So it doesn't dry as quick. And it really helps eat into that road grime and salt because the amount of salt on the cars at the minute is horrendous. So this is a really, really safe way of removing all the crap, all the salt, the dirt off the surface, dragging it down to the lower levels of the car, off the car onto the floor, and then when you rinse it off, there's nothing left apart from a very thin layer of traffic film, which you obviously remove with a contact wash. So yeah, blown away with the results. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think, if you use similar Halford Snow Foam and how you found it. But yeah, who'd have thought? But for now, I am off to put the kettle on to make a nice cup of coffee because it is absolutely grim outside. If you like the video, please drop it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe because we're so close to 1,000 subscribers now. And for me, that's a massive milestone with this channel. I do it because I love doing it. I've always loved editing. I've always loved making videos. YouTube's a great outlet as well. There's a great community there. So if you like videos of me blabbling on about snow foam, then yeah, be sure to stick around. But we've got some really cool things planned for the channel. Some really cool cars coming in soon. So stay tuned for that. But over and out for now. See you on the next one. Adios.